Good morning, guys. Today I'm making a speed regulator for motors. This is the unit. I think it's $1.50 or $2 on Temu or AliExpress. They are more expensive on Amazon, I noticed, so I ordered them out of Temu or Ali, but whoever is cheaper. So this is a speed regulator, as you can see. This one has a power minus and a power plus and a motor plus and a motor minus. So that's how you hook that up. And they also have an on and off, as you can hear. And I'll show you in a minute what I did with it. First of all, I'm going to run a windmill and a water scoop on it. I have two water scoops. The other one, this one is for the water scoop. And I stripped an old power supply, which was not working anymore. I stripped the casing, and I took all the good parts out, by the way. There are still good parts in those things. The resistors and the diodes, and that's all out. So I stripped it, built them in. I made pictures, and I will put that on my YouTube channel. And yeah, Costco is part of this. I filled in the 115 entrance, and I wrote down the info what came with a little paper from the switches, so I know what to do. So I can put 1.8 to 12 volt DC in, and with a maximum input of 2 amps. Why is that important? Well, if you don't want to blow up your stuff, you might want to do that. Not go over the 2 amps, I mean. So this one is the power wire, and I have connected it inside to the outputs together with a little we call them crown stones, a little plastic thingy where you screw nail them the wires in. So I made a double, connected it in the box, and just 2 feeders coming out. They go to unfortunately I have only 1 motor left, so I put an LED and a motor in, so I can show you in a minute. Then I went from a power adapter. These thingies, they're handy too, also AliExpress. And the power adapter I found is a 5 volt DC, 1.5 amp. So it is impossible to blow up these switches. If you go to 2 amp, you gotta watch. I have a 2.1 amp here somewhere, and I didn't want to use it. So to let you know, or to show you, I would say, how that works, I'll put this away. I don't want to lose my parts. I'm gonna put it on. So the A, whatever that is going to be, it doesn't matter. I didn't fill that in yet. This is just painter's tape. This is going to say windmill or water scoop, and this is windmill or water scoop, whatever fits. I'll do that after. So I'll put the A on. I don't even know which one this is. Oh, I should. A is gray. A is the gray black, so the motor should come on. I made 1 point black so you can see. There we go. This is 5 volt, 1.5 amps. This motor can have 3 to 6 volt, so that's okay. There should be no... You can hear it. So this would be for a water scoop or a windmill. I measured it on this thing, and it was, I think, half a volt or a volt that they run properly for a water scoop. The windmill I didn't try yet. I'm going to try that out later this afternoon. So that is the one, and I'll keep it running for you guys so you can... That is A. A is on, as you can see. B is still off. Going to be on now, and it's on the LED. I'll put the light off, hold on. So here's the LED. Same thing. But this is meant for motors. But like I said, I only have one motor left. I use them in the scoops. I have 2 scoops and a windmill, water scoops and a windmill. So I used all 3 of them I had. But as you can see, it works perfect. From the same power supply, just hooked up similar to the power, to the adapter basically. And again, the adapter is 5 volt, 1.5 amp. It's not heating up, it shouldn't be, because it's just a voltage regulator. As long as you don't put heavy stuff. And with locomotives it becomes a little bit different, because then you go in the amps. But with this stuff, LEDs barely pull any power or amps. And this little motor, I don't know, I don't think it will pull not even half an amp on full power. So this is 5 volt. And the light too. They're both on 5 volt. Because the adapter has to pull it too, and easily, with the amperage of that thing. So I'm not so worried about it. I thought I'll show this, because usually I get questions about it when it's installed on the layout. And this is just easier explaining. So these I have marked in plus. For the motors it's not so important, because I just turn the wires if the water scoop goes the wrong way or the windmill goes the wrong way, then I can just change the wires and it's solved. Just for the clarity, I made it as it should be, identified with plus and minus. So yeah, so these things are from AliExpress too, and you can just unplug it from the adapter. That is handy when it's on the layout, if you have to do maintenance or you have to replace something, or just leave everything and just unplug it from the adapter. So I try to keep them in one piece. I know some people cut these off. I rather order these things, or I have just wired ones. So this female, and then with wires coming out of here. This is an oh, it's even marked, see, plus and minus. This is just one you can screw nail the wires in. Okay, there will be pictures on my YouTube channel over how I made this box, how I put it together. And I would like to thank you for your attention again, and see you later. Bye bye.